what's up, guys? So we got 4.5 areas, heavily soiled in the living room here, so you can tell. I'm gonna go ahead and pump up my pre-spray and do my process. So let's see what we can do. Love a challenge, and it's cold, so got the privacy door up, or the courtesy door up. So all right, I'm gonna continue vacuuming here, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is my new solution I'm going to try for the really heavily soiled, like the way it is now. Saiger sauce, code red. I've seen some great videos on it. I figured I'd give it a try, and this is my first chance. So I already got it mixed up in here, and I'm going to put it down. Stay tuned. Being this code red is higher pH, I'm going ahead and using a rinse too. So when I do my actual rinse, when I get to that point, alright, so laid down the pre-spray already. Go ahead and agitate and see how things start looking. Get some more light in here. There we go. Cut that in half. Pulling off a lot of stuff. I have to go through there and pick all that up. Alright guys, so I'm very happy with that solution. What it did is I went over it the first time, I agitated it came up, but I went over it again with the solution, let it dwell a little bit more, then went over it again and hit that steam really good, and it came out awesome. So I know that you kind of see a little bit more shadow in the camera for some reason, but in person it looks great. Customer was really happy, and I let them know before I started that don't expect any miracles, you know. I'll do my best, it'll look better, but I definitely let them know that. Stairs came out great, upstairs came out great. That pink spot, I went and treated it, got 99%, well, about 80% of it out, but it was going to take me a time, and he didn't have the money. So I told them, you know, before they move out, if they want to pay for some specialty cleaning, and we'll clean the carpets, and then we'll do that, and then just don't touch it with anything to set it. So it did look better, but anyway, that's it. I like the video, I like the results, and I hope you do too. So if you do, go ahead and like it, subscribe, be sure to subscribe, and comment and let me know what you think. That Saiger sauce is definitely going to be on my van from here on out. I'm not disappointed. I got online, I seen a bunch of videos, you know, mostly commercial stuff, but man, when you're doing a carpet to where it's either replace it or get it clean, well, something like that does the job, and I'm really happy with it. So anyway, thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Cleaning this at a local car wash, self-serve. Totally legal to dump here, as long as the owners or the management don't have an issue with it, which they shouldn't if you wash your vehicles here. So yeah, came out pretty dirty. Not the worst I ever seen, but I wouldn't drink it.